A day in my life. I believe amazing things can happen if you greet the day with a smile. Hello everyone, I'm James Bless Lago Fernando, or you can call me Bless. I'm a 5-year-old kindergarten student from Sahabit Bilingual Kindergarten School. Today, I will talk about a day in my life. Do you want to know what my life is every day? I will share it to you. I wake up in the morning and get out of bed. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast. I enjoy eating fruits and cereal with milk. I get dressed and put on my shoes after breakfast. At school, I greet my friends and teachers. We read stories, play, and learn new things. We play in the Montessori room, study taekwondo, computer, music, and the arts. I learn a lot from these classes. I enjoy learning with my friends, and my teachers are nice too. After returning home, I straight away open my assignment notebook and finish all the schoolwork assigned for that day. During my free time, I sometimes go for a bike ride with my dad or play with my friends. Do you spend your time with your loved one too? After playing, I practice my melodion and sing some songs. If I feel bored, I do something that makes me happy. We eat dinner together with my family, eating delicious food and talking about our day. Before bed, I take a bath, put on my pajamas, and participate in family worship, followed by listening to bedtime stories with my mom. After that, I recite memory verses. Then I pray and say good night to my mom and dad. I can't wait to do all the exciting things I have planned for tomorrow. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.